and they're really very satisfied. Okay, so first I would like to give you a trivia. What will happen if we stop brushing our teeth, or if we are using a toothbrush that is actually not suitable for our teeth? So those inexpensive toothbrush, low quality toothbrush, and so on. And this is basically what will happen. Number one is, of course, we will have tooth decay and gum disease. These are the bacteria in plaque buildup causing cavities and receding gums. We will also have bad breath. We don't like that. But luckily, our Atomy Propolis toothpaste has green tea extracts, the extract that remove the bad breath. So a person is having a bad breath due to lack of brushing, which can result to unpleasant mouth odor. And number three, increased risk of heart disease, dementia, diabetes, and pneumonia. So as you can see, if we are not brushing our teeth properly or not using a product that's really good for us, we are going to have this kind of diseases. And as much as possible, of course, we wanted to prevent that from coming. And number four, we will have tooth loss. So untreated dental problems can lead to loss of teeth. And we don't like that, right? We don't like to have, in Tagalog, it's called pustizo. In English, it's false teeth. I'm not ready yet to have false teeth. So I'm really brushing my teeth properly and using the Atomy Dental Sonic toothbrush. So if you purchase a Dental Sonic toothbrush set, you will have the following products in one set. Sorry, just okay. All right. So you will have the product body. So it has a case, so you can actually use it when you are traveling. This is sort of travel kit already. You have a charging stand, which is shown here in this picture. You have two refill heads, one travel case, and one user manual. So when you purchase this, since this is not yet available in Atomy Europe, the user manual will be in Korean. But if you go on Atomy Singapore website, you will see the English version of the manual or how to use it. And later on, I will also convert this presentation into PDF so that I could send it to the respective group chats and you can actually share it to your business partners. So let us talk about the product features. So the first one is our Atomy Dental Sonic toothbrush has the unique dry mode that inhibits bacterial growth. So actually, the toothbrush that we use every day can have up to 8 million bacteria per millimeter, right? So basically, when we brush our teeth, we wash our toothbrush, we leave it just like that and let it dry. And you know, while it's drying, it can build up to 8 million bacteria. So when we use our toothbrush again, we don't see it because the bacteria are very small, but actually we are intaking the bacteria because of our dirty toothbrush. With the excellent antibacterial control compared to UV disinfection, fan drying, and heat drying to keep it safe and clean at all times. Atomy has Atomy Dental Sonic dry modes can clean on its own. So later on, I'm going to be showing you how this Dental Sonic toothbrush can clean by its own, eliminating all those bacteria so that when we use the toothbrush again for the next time, we are sure that it is bacteria free. Number two, gentle and powerful removal of plaque and particles, uniformly processed micro-bristles with outstanding details. So basically, the normal toothbrush that we have on our Atomy Europe website has the same bristles as what we have in our Atomy Dental Sonic toothbrush, right? This is really already proven and tested that it's very good, and it is thin bristles that could actually go in between your teeth. And it has long bristles as well, thin bristles, so it's really easy to brush in between our teeth. So even though we forget to floss our teeth, you don't have to worry because these bristles can actually clean your teeth properly. So that is gonna remove the plaque and the particles in between our teeth. So as you can see here on the left hand side, by the way, the bristles are made by Diotech Korea. You can Google it later on. These are the thin bristles that we have on our toothbrush. If you also have the normal Atomy toothbrush that you bought from Atomy Europe website, you can also check this out. It's gonna be the same. On the other hand, on the right hand side picture, this is a sample of another brand's electric toothbrush bristles. So as you can see, the bristles has some flat details on top of the bristles, so it doesn't go in between our teeth. And as you can see, they are not on the same height. Yes, while on the other hand, our bristles are on the same height, so it's really evenly cleaning in between our teeth. And the third feature of this product is it has fine air bubbles generated by up to 35,400 sound waves per minute to penetrate between the teeth. So actually, the reason why we are using electric toothbrush is that, we don't need to do like this while brushing our teeth, because we just holding it like this steadily and pointing onto your target sides, it actually vibrates by itself already, which helps us cleanse our teeth. And as a matter of fact, it vibrates 35,400 times per minute. So can you imagine how much it can clean our teeth by just simply moving it to all the sides of our teeth? So the micro air bubbles clean and gently brush the surface of your teeth where regular toothbrushes can barely reach, making them effective for removing plaque and tartar. And number four, I really like the style of this toothbrush because, as you can see, this is kind of sexy. I'm gonna show it to you later on when I removed my background. This is a perfect grip in one hand. Very slim. Unlike any other brands, it's quite fatter, but this one is very slim. It's so white, it's so professional, it's so chic. That's why, just by simply looking at it, it's really very nice to have. Next one is a smart pressure sensor for optimal settings. So as we all know, when we brush excessively, it can actually cause damage onto our gums and to our teeth. Sometimes it can cause bleeding, right? But through the smart sensor of this Atomy Dental Sonic toothbrush, it automatically detects the pressure when excessive force is applied while brushing our teeth. So if this dental sonic feels like, oh, I already put a lot of pressure and the gums couldn't take it anymore, it will stop and it will adjust automatically to the pressure that our gums and teeth desires. And it helps to protect our teeth and gums, of course, from damage. And number six, I find it really, really cool because this toothbrush has 12 modes to soothe your teeth and gums. So as you can see, it has the clean mode. So this is a standard mode for powerful toothbrushing. White mode if we want to whiten our teeth. And sensitive modes, it takes care of sensitive teeth and gums with softness. Gum care with the gum massage mode. And just a tip, if you are going to use it for the first time, use the sensitive mode until your teeth and gums get accustomed to the different modes. So for me, when I use it the first time, I use the sensitive mode for 1 week until my gums and teeth get used to it. So every day right now, I am using the clean mode for powerful brushing. And just a tip as well, it is recommended to brush our teeth 2 times a day, in the morning and in the evening. And number seven, IPX6 and IPX7 rated for complete waterproofing to prevent even moisture residue after toothbrushing and rinsing. So, For me, I don't actually know what IPX means before knowing Atomy, but IPX means with international waterproofing standards as defined by the International Electrotechnical Commission. So basically, IPX6 and IPX7 means that Atomy Dental Sonic has a high water resistance rating that will not fail even if the device is sprayed with a strong jet of water or submerged in water for around 30 minutes. So actually, I have tried this one. So unlike any other electric toothbrush, when you submerge it in water, after submerging in water, they will not work anymore. But this one, even though you wash the top, the brush side, you wash it with water, and you also wash the body with water, it will actually not be damaged, right? That is why it has been rated IPX6 and IPX7. And later on, I will also show you how this dental sonic toothbrush can easily remove all the water that has been poured into this toothbrush. So how to use it? Okay, so I will first show you the pictures. So as we all know, when we are brushing our teeth, these are the steps. Step 1, 2, 3, 4. We have actually 4 sides of our teeth, and we have to brush it, hold it in one place for 3 to 5 seconds, and then move it laterally. And step 4, after 2 minutes of use, the power is automatically switched off. So that is also one very good function of this toothbrush, is that um when the 2 minutes is over, normally 2 minutes is recommended in brushing our teeth, it will automatically stop. So don't worry, you don't need to sing the ABCs while you are brushing your teeth because it already has a timer in it, built timer in it. And hold, of course, we have to hold the toothbrush lightly. We don't, when I was using not the electric toothbrush, I really grip it so hard and I brush my teeth so hard. But this one, just by simply turning it on and adjusting to the density that you want, you can easily just brush your teeth in a very light mode. And then number 3, we have mode selection and vibration intensity setting. I will show you later on how to change the mode. And number 4, this is the dry mode setting. So it cleans by itself. Okay, I told you it's a very slim one. And you don't actually have to worry because it has 2 brushes in it. And the brushes has numbers. So basically, when you have your daughter or when you have your husbands, your wife that wanted to use the body of the toothbrush, all you need is to change the brush itself. And don't worry, you will not be mixing it because it has the number. So number 1 is for the wife because wives are always number 1, and number 2 are for the husband. So you can actually share the body already. Okay, so I'm gonna put it here. How do we turn it on? We just have to press the power mode. Okay, so now I am on, I don't know if you can see it. I am on a gum care. And if you want to change the mode, you just have to click on the mode. You go to the clean mode. Can you hear it? There's the sound of vibration. Can you hear it? Yeah, okay. And then I will go to white mode. Okay, and as you can see, the brush is really, really vibrating. You cannot see it properly, but when you look closely, you see that the brush is really vibrating so fast. And we also have the sensitive mode. So the vibration, the sound of the vibration change lightly. And we have the gum care. Okay, so all of the functions are lasting into 2 minutes time range. Okay, and now if we wanted to change the density of the toothbrush, it has 3 densities. It has low, medium, and high. All you need to do is to click, oops, not this one, click the power button. Okay, as you can see, there was a light because I changed the density. And another one, I change the density again, and then I change the density again. So every time you change the density, it has the color indication as well. Okay, so you feel the vibration is getting low, getting medium, or getting higher. So if you wanted to turn it off, you just simply have to long press the power button. And for example, you made it wet or accidentally submerged into water, and you wanted to have the dry mode function to clean the surface and to remove all the bacteria. All you have to do is to click on the modes button, and there you go. It will be cleaning by itself for 10 seconds, and it will just turn off by itself. See? It turned off by itself. So if you are wondering about the lifespan of the battery, so basically when I charge it for the first time, I charged it for like 30 minutes, and the battery actually lasted for like a month, 1 month and a half. So that is how the battery could last longer. Some people says it's lasting for 25 days, but for me, I brush my teeth 2 times a day, and it lasts for like one month and a half for me. And you don't need to charge it like an hour, just 30 minutes will be fine. If the battery is already on a low bat mode, you will see that the color will turn red. You will put it on the USB charger. When the light turns green, it means that the battery is already full.